Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing where I pick up an item that we have in stock, talk about what it is and what it does. Today we have the KI-40PS42s, or the Kicker all-weather Powersports Coaxial Speakers. These coaxial speakers are 2-ohm 100 peak speakers that are perfect for off-road activity. These speakers are built to withstand the elements, delivering clean and crisp sound wherever you're at. Designed for low current draw from small power sports charging systems, the PS system ensures that you get quality sound without draining your vehicle's battery life. Now, onto some of the features that this thing has. The woofer size is about 4 inches and the tweeter size is 3/4 inch. The impedance is 2 ohms and the recommended amp power, or the amplifier power, is about 50 watts RMS. The peak power for these speakers are 100 watts. So like I previously said, these Kicker speakers are designed with low current draw, so it's great to save power and also great for sound. Not only do you get big sound and loud sound, but you also get less battery life being drained from your vehicle, which is the most efficient nowadays. If you're looking for speakers that combine durability with high quality sound, then don't miss out and get yourself a pair of KICKER40PS42s. These speakers are amazing and sound even better in person, so don't miss out on this. So onto pricing. The price for these are $129.99, and you can get yourself a pair at bigjeffaudio.com/collections/kicker. Like I said, if you want durability and also high quality for a good price, then these are the speakers for you. They're very easy to install, feel very light, and sound great. Anyways, this is it for the unboxing. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, please put down in the comments below if you would like to see a specific product unboxed. We appreciate the time and effort you take to watch these videos. In the meantime, thank you for watching and have a great day.